back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna do a quick and easy recipe, oven fry chicken. So I'm using legs, 3 legs, 2 thighs and 1 wing, already washed with salt, then put to drain and then pat dry. And people ask me why I always pat dry my meat, because I do not like to season my meat with water settling at the bottom of the container. I don't like when my seasoning mixed with water. So that's why I pat dry. And that is very important to me. So I am just gonna add around a teaspoon of oil. Because remember, I am putting it into an oven, so I want it to retain as much moisture as possible. And so I leave the skin on as well. I also leave the fats. Also, I did not remove the fats because I want the fats to help to keep the chicken moist in the oven. And the oil does the same thing, help to keep it moist in the oven. That's why I put some oil on it. So I'm gonna season. I am gonna use, that is about ½ teaspoon of salt. This is garlic and pimento spices. I'm using some spices, and I'm using about I will say ½ teaspoon of each spice. So this is ginger, garlic, pimento. You probably can't get this. You will have to use your own. And of course, my Lawry seasoned salt, ½ teaspoon of each. Jerk spice. This is good, really good. It is a mixture of pimento, a lot of the good stuff. A lot of the good stuff. I am gonna use some complete seasoning, as well as paprika, black pepper. Can't live without my Maggi. So this is Maggi all-purpose and Maggi chicken flavor. Yeah. And just a small amount of lemon pepper, just a tiny amount, probably ¼ teaspoon. And some garlic powder. So you don't have to use the amount of spices that I use, and you don't have to use the spices that I use either. You can use your own spices, and you can lessen the amount if you want. But I'm building flavors right here, so I need spices, and it is not overly spicy either. It is just right, the amount of flavors. So mix everything together. Yes, man. Just right. So be careful with the skin. So let me just gently pat it. So I don't want the skin to tear. Just gently pat it like this. So it's quite early in the morning, so I am just gonna cover this and just put it in the bottom section of the fridge until I'm ready to prepare it. I will come back. Time to bake the chicken. So I put a grill into this tray right here, and I am gonna use, first of all, I am gonna grease the bottom of this thing right here. You can use, I have a spray, but I do not like the scent of it. So I'm gonna grease right here. One cup of all-purpose flour. To the flour, I am gonna add about half teaspoon of chicken seasoning and half teaspoon of all-purpose. So I'm gonna just go in and give it a good. In the meantime, put the oven to preheat at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat each piece of the chicken into the flour, the spice flour mixture. If you want, you can wear a gloves. Shake off the excess flour and just place it on the grill like that. Remember that the grill is grease. Okay, so I have this spray right here, but for some reason I do not like it. It says made with vegetable oil, but I don't like the scent. I don't know. I just waste my money. So I'm gonna use some vegetable oil to gently brush on the chicken. And remember, this is to retain moisture. The spray would have been better, but I don't like the scent. And as you can hear, the oven is ready to go. It is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is the healthier version of fried chicken on the stove top because you use way less oil. So you can actually eat this guilt-free. Okay, so I'm going to put this into the preheated oven for 40 to 60 minutes. So as I mentioned before, the oven is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I am going to put it into the oven right now. Yes, and I am going to bake it for either 40 to 60 minutes. So this is my oven fried chicken. It's kind of hot. Oh, very hot. This is the healthier version to fried chicken, and if you want, you can make a sauce, or you can, eat it with what we call a ready-made sauce in Jamaica. That is sauce that you purchase in the supermarket. For example, this Thai style sweet chili sauce. You can enjoy it with this. Just sprinkle a little bit over the chicken and enjoy your oven fried chicken, but I'm not gonna do that. I am gonna make a sauce, and I'm gonna have this with rice and peas and vegetable on the side. Yes, so enjoy my recipe. Thanks for watching. Remember to click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video to this channel. And yes, that's all for now. So this is oven fried chicken, crispy and nice.